Hey crafty friends, it's Shalana, ready to thrill you with Kendra's mystery card kit. Let's scan the QR code to see what this kit entails. The Pets Echo Park mystery card kit is full of fun. Check out this cute dog and cat cutting die. How Paw-some. And I absolutely love the colorful flat back sequins mix. This is right up my alley. The Paw-some Pups stamp set is beyond cute. I absolutely adore the stamps and the punny sentiments that come along with it. Check out that dog with the cute glasses. And I was wowed by the tons of ephemera in this kit. This is round 3 for me of the mystery card kit, and I have to say, I don't use ephemera much, so it's taken me out of my comfort zone. And I love a good challenge. So this mystery card kit comes with 6 double-sided pattern papers from the Pets 6x6 paper pad. I love how all the patterns coordinate. And you can really put together some really fun cards. So when I look at this pattern paper, I'm loving the stripes. You also get 8 pieces of coordinating cardstock. 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 orange, and 2 blue. This size allows you to turn the coordinating cardstock into card bases. Again, so many cute, fun items to work with in this mystery card kit. So let's get started and make a few cards. The first card I am creating is from card sketch number 2. In advance, I have pre-cut my pieces so we're ready to go. This great kit is so worthy of joining Kendra's Patreon community. I try to use as much of the kit as possible when working on my card sketches. I did stamp out one of the cute dogs and the sentiment, as well as make sure all the pieces were cutted that are associated with this sketch. To begin, I'm using my tape runner and adhering a piece of red cardstock onto the A2 card base. As I'm creating my cards, I always take a look back at the sketch because I tend to align with the sketch and I don't do too many things that are different than what I see. There's 3 strips of paper that are being adhered across the pattern paper. I did use a liquid adhesive this time to allow me to adjust the paper slightly into position. And I'm adding the layers to the mats to place onto my card base. I really like how the pattern papers and the cardstocks coordinate. It really takes the guesswork out of the design. So quick question for you. How closely do you align to card sketches when you complete them? Do you tend to move them around, horizontal versus vertical, or do you keep it status quo? Drop that in the chat because I'm interested to know. Alright, so next up I had cut my piece that looks like a pocket shape. And again, I like to keep it close to the sketch. So with this piece, I decided to use some 3D foam tape behind it and pop it up. That way I was giving it some depth and dimension as I looked at what's next, which was adding my sentiment and a piece of the ephemera to, again, use all of the great things that come into this kit that can make 15 cards. It is so amazing. So again, I am participating in Kendra's Card Challenge number 19. This is a quarterly paper crafting event hosted by Cards by Kendra, where participants use a free PDF to cut 6 sheets of 6x6-inch pattern paper and the pieces to create coordinating cards. You can grab the free printable from Kendra's Patreon, which is linked below in the description. You can join as a free member by clicking on the Join for Free button and enter your email address or create a Patreon account. And you're probably wondering, how do you get the mystery kit full of products? Join Kendra's Patreon membership programs. There are 4 tiers and it starts at $2 a month. However, when you elect the VIP tier, it includes a mystery card kit, which is what I'm using today. This kit will allow you to make 15 cards. And of course, I'm going to tell you to get the most bang for your buck and grab the VIP tier. Like, it is literally a must, and it's so fun to get the mystery of what is actually in the kit. So to participate and enter the card challenge contest, you are eligible to win prizes. You can upload 1 photo containing all 15 cards to the link party for the month. Visit kendrascardchallenge.com for the links to the InLinkz parties. You can also see some beautiful projects that are very inspiring. To be featured in the monthly showcase and winners announcements, upload your photo in the monthly showcase photo album in Kendra's Card Challenge's Facebook group. You can also upload individual pictures of each card individually into the card sketch albums for a chance to win additional monthly prizes throughout the quarter. The fun thing about these challenges is Kendra has already done a lot of the work for you. Just follow the guides, have some fun with it, and you're going to turn out some amazingly cute cards in no time. So once you have your card sketch challenge free printable ready to go, take note to look at the back page, which has a wonderful chart, and it spells out all 4 tiers. I have finished coloring this cutie, and I added 3D foam tape to the back of the image, and I placed him right above the sentiment. Lastly, I really wanted to incorporate the colorful sequins, so I added a few to finish out this card. Beyond adorable. Alright, so let's move on to card number 2. I'm using card sketch number 14. Again, I proactively cut out the pieces to this sketch, as well as stamped another dog from the stamp set and a cute sentiment. I began by layering the mats and getting our card base prepped and ready to go, following the sketch. So I wanted to walk you through Kendra's Patreon membership programs. Again, I shared with you that there are 4 different tiers that you can elect. And of course, I highly encourage and recommend you to do the VIP tier so you can get the mystery card kit. So let's talk about the different tiers that are available in Kendra's Patreon membership program. We have the supporter tier. In that tier, you get the Patreon-only updates and inspiration, general support for challenges, and early access to D-Stash sales. And if you upgrade to the official tier, not only do you get what I just mentioned, but you get 1-year access to download previous challenges, bonus printable digital downloads, and a printer-friendly version of the challenge PDF, and shout out on challenge videos. If you go to the next level, that is considered all access tier. You'll get everything that I already mentioned. However, the access to download previous challenges and bonus printable digital downloads are 2 years. And then you'll also get the early access to new card challenges and monthly mystery card kit sampler. You'll also have the chance to win additional challenge prizes and a shout out on the challenge video. And if you move on up to the VIP tier, in addition to everything that we spoke of, minus that monthly mystery card kit sampler, you will receive our fave, the monthly mystery card kit, a handmade card, crafty live stream session each quarter, and a chance to win additional challenge prizes. So as you can see, as you move up those tiers, it gets funner and there's a lot more opportunities that are available for you to add some fun things to your Patreon membership. So finishing up this card, I am looking at my sentiment, the placement of the cute little dog. And even though I added a sentiment, a die cut sentiment, I also want to use a sentiment from the stamp set. So I'm mapping all out, and I'm going to put it inside my Misty to get a nice even lineup of where I want to put my stamp sentiment. So don't forget, this challenge runs July 1st through September 30th. You'll want to go over and join Kendra's Card Challenges Facebook group. Get social, share your photos or any videos of your card creations, and use the hashtag Kendra Card Challenge 19 and KCC 19 for a chance to be featured in the weekly card making inspiration post on Kendra's Card Challenge Patreon page. Invite your crafty friends to join. Let everybody know about how great this is. It's always amazing to make multiple cards, and to finish up 15, man, that is an accomplishment. So look how cute this card is. I'm very pleased with the 2 cards that I've made from the sketch challenge. And here they are. So thank you for stopping by. I enjoyed being a guest in Kendra's card challenge, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.